Ever wondered why the Mercedes-Benz logo is a three-pointed star? It symbolizes the brand's mission to make transportation possible on land, water, and air. Born in 1886, Mercedes-Benz has been at the forefront of automotive innovation ever since. The three-pointed star logo, adopted in 1910, represents this ambition. It's a testament to the brand's pioneering spirit and commitment to redefining mobility. So, the next time you see that logo, remember, it's not just about cars, it's about a commitment to revolutionize transport on all fronts. Did you know that the first car to ever receive an anti-lock braking system was a Mercedes-Benz? That's right. Safety has always been a priority for this brand. In fact, Mercedes-Benz was also the first to introduce airbags and traction control. This commitment to safety is as strong today as it was when the company was founded over a century ago. And it's not just about safety. In 1986, Mercedes-Benz created the first robot car. This was a huge leap forward in the field of autonomous driving. Even then, Mercedes was thinking ahead, setting the stage for the self-driving cars we're seeing today. And let's not forget about the luxury and performance that are synonymous with Mercedes-Benz. From the opulent S-Class to the high-performance AMG models, Mercedes-Benz has consistently delivered cars that are a joy to drive and a pleasure to own. From inventing the first petrol-powered car to pioneering autonomous driving, Mercedes-Benz has always been a trailblazer in the automobile industry. Now here comes the million-dollar question: Mercedes or BMW? Both are titans in the automobile industry, but which one do you prefer? The rivalry between these two is as fierce as it gets. Mercedes, with its timeless elegance, versus BMW's sporty dynamism. Both have their unique charm and loyal fan base. It's a tough call, isn't it? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And of course, drop a comment below and let us know, are you Team Mercedes or Team BMW? We can't wait to hear from you.